This song features 3 main chord patterns. For the intro, outro, and verse, we'll start on an E flat major, E flat G, B flat, for one measure, then to a D flat major, D flat F, A flat, for 2 measures, and then to an F minor 7, F, A flat, C, E flat, for 1 measure. That'll be for the intro, the outro, the verses. In one hand, starting on E flat, it could look and sound like this. 2, 3, 4, E flat, D flat, repeat that D flat, give it an F minor 7. In 2 hands, that pattern could look and sound like this, starting again on E flat major. 2, 3, begin, E flat, D flat, repeat that, D flat, another measure. The chorus pattern will be very similar, starting on an E flat, G, B flat, going to that D flat major again, D flat, F, A flat, for 2 measures, and instead of going to that chord we learned, we're going to go to the A flat major, A flat, C, E flat, just to give it a little different color. In 2 hands, that could look and sound like this. 2, 3, chorus, E flat, D flat, repeats, A flat, D flat, 2 of D flat, last pattern is for the bridge. It starts on a C minor, C, E flat, G, for 1 measure, goes to an A flat major, A flat, C, E flat, for 1 measure. We're going to then go to an E flat major with a G in the root, spell that G, B flat, E flat, for 1 measure, and then go to a B flat major, B flat, D, F, to finish out the bridge. In 1 hand, that bridge pattern could look and sound like this. Start on C minor, 2, 3, 4. Go to A flat, E flat with the G root, then a B flat, for double the time. In 2 hands, that bridge pattern could look and sound like this. Starting on a C minor, 2, 3, 4.